up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, DriveItRyan. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Allie and I are going camping upstate New York, and we're going to take the least practical car I have, the Miata. So there's a couple things I want to accomplish in this video. One, can you go camping with a Miata? Two, I want to test out the new field suspension coilovers and see if it's tolerable on a long road trip. But there's also some nice twisty mountain roads up there, so should be fun if we get there. We're running way behind schedule, mostly because of me. Lots of stuff to remember. Let's run through it. We got Allie's stuff, and then we got Ryan's stuff, pretty much. We got her backpack, my backpack full of clothes, a couple of GoPros. We got Shannon the Canon, some lenses, cooler full of snacks, marshmallows, some more stuff. We're gonna have to get beer somewhere else. These I didn't take into account. We're gonna have to just put those in last and stuff it in. We got 2 camp chairs. We have my Amazon tent, Amazon mattress, Allie's new fashion boots, and what are these, Vans? It's real nice, and water. So that's it. Allie's got a perfectly fine Jeep Liberty that's basically built for camping, but it's a nice fall day, so well, let's stuff the Miata. That's actually a practical car to take. I gotta get it back on the road. Yeah, this is gonna be tight. Put Shannon in. We'll go sideways. Oh, like this. This. 2 backpacks. Oh. This is getting tight quick. Oh, jeez. It's like Legos. There's a way. There's always a way. Oh, the pillows too. Those could go here. Are the pillows all that's left? Holy crap. Please tell me that's it. Oh, we got some water? I could shut it? Solid. Ready to hit the road. For the coilovers, I adjusted everything 10 clicks from the softest setting, so it shouldn't be too harsh. It's no good. It's a little kiss in the ass. Not bad, but it's not the greatest road trip car. It's a little loud. Allie's hair is going to be in knots. Mine too. We decided to take a little pit stop. Angry Orchard. What's it look like? Wow. Look at these little crispy johns. Is that maple syrup?
Looks like caramel.
Oh, that's the maple cream cheese.
Yeah.
the infamous Tritos. I feel like such a tourist right now. Slash douche YouTuber.
Oh, there's a bar thing up there.
Oh, sick. Really quite fast. What do you give this a rating?
8.8.
8.8 for overall experience, everything?
Yeah.
I'd agree with that. Food was good, drinks were good. St. Nudes Robin was closed. Kind of sad about that. That's a 10 out of 10 for name though. It's good marketing. You know what else is a 10 out of 10? Is this parking spot. So now we're going to the campsite. I'd say this is probably it. Got that fountain. Whoa. The trees are dropping loads. They're dropping loads.
Is there stuff here? There's quite a few trees over
Freaking acorns. Alright, time to unstuff this turkey. Yeah. We gotta find a spot. These acorns are the size of freaking softballs in these woods.
I seen you checking her out, man.
Okay, it wasn't a shut up.
Let me just find a garage spot.
Do you see my leg up?
Can I see your leg up?
Can you see through the tent?
Yeah, I can see everything you're doing. What are you peeing in there? Why is your leg up? This is our humble abode. Not the softest ground, but made it work. Got a decent night's sleep. Now it's time to pack her back up. Now we're heading out for a little hike, some breakfast. Allie needs some nutrients. I do too. But hopefully we find some nice roads. Where we're trying to go. This is a hustling, bustling little town. Hey. This looks bomb. I gotta sync the GoPros. Yeah, like when you're editing, that helps if there's something clear to sync it with. Lake Minnewaska. Used to come here when I was just a young lad. I'm showing Allie the routes here, the routes. Maybe my routes. And I'm gonna show you the route. Don't push me off the cliffs, please. Is that your lunch?
Yep.
Is it fresh?
Eyes are cloudy. It's definitely not fresh.
this one up. Nope. Well, I did wrap up the clip, or I wrapped up that video in that last clip, but the audio came out terrible. So I'm going to do it now, but I have a few thoughts to add, and I have a surprise for you all at the end. So to wrap up this video, can you go camping in a Mazda Mx-5 Miata? I'd say yes. If you pack lightly and you're a little strategic about it, you definitely can. The 441 race coilovers, I don't have enough good things to say about them. They're great on track. Allie had no complaints. I had no complaints on the whole entire road trip. So 10 out of 10 on those. If I had something to recommend, I would say don't put a race exhaust in your car. If you plan on doing a long road trip, I love the Racing Beat race exhaust. But it does get a little bit drony, and it gets to you when you're on the highway for a long period of time. You hear it. But other than that, if you're beep-bopping around town, it's not a big deal. So yeah, you can. It's got to be smart about it. So it's almost the holidays. It's almost Christmas, Hanukkah, the New Year. And to give back, I want to give away a hoodie to one of my subscribers. So Jeff and I, 413RC, we make these hoodies. We are going to give back a one-of-one custom hoodie, kind of like this one. It's going to say behind schedule, over budget on the back, because let's face it, we've all been a little behind schedule and over budget once or twice in our lives. It's going to say that on the back, but we'll also put something completely custom for you, or if you want it as is, like this one, we'll do that too. All you got to do is subscribe to my channel, DriveItRyan, subscribe to Jeff's channel, 413RC, and comment in this video, in the comment section below, comment thick meats. All right? That way I know you watched it the whole way through and made it to the end of this video. So that's it. Thank you all for the love and support. Hope you all have a very nice holiday. I got more videos coming up. I just got to go edit them, so I'm going to get to it. Have a good night. See you in the next one. Peace.
And really, man, the focus is just leveling up. Cause I know the life I want, I'm just setting it up. Removing those that's close who try messing it up. Can't wait for champagne toast with the relevant bunch. Like, what's up? Yeah, like what you do, homie? What's your vision? How you thinking? How you move, homie?